Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am here to give some explanation about With the Photographer, the short story by Stephen Leacock. I have already read this chapter in the form of an audiobook and given you a couple of explanations also. But in this audio, I am going to tell you some important points regarding this chapter with the photographer's relevance with today's modern times and of course the positive ending. So if you are here for some question answers, then you can go to the audiobook. The link is given in the description, or else it's just hardly a few minutes audio. Just listen to it. You will definitely gain something. So let's start with The Photographer by Stephen Leacock. And the question here is, how is With the Photographer story by Stephen Leacock applicable to today's world of social media perfection? Stephen Leacock's With the Photographer is highly relevant to today's world of social media perfection. In this story, the photographer excessively alters the narrator's photograph to make it look perfect, even though it no longer resembles him. Similarly, on social media, people use filters and editing tools to create idealized images that distort reality. The narrator's loss of identity reflects how individuals today feel pressured to present a flawless online persona for approval and validation. Through humor, Leacock exposes the danger of valuing appearance over authenticity, a problem that has become even more severe in this digital age. And now, some important points to remember. The first point I feel is manufactured perfection. Here in the story, the photographer keeps altering the narrator's photo, reshaping his mouth, eyes, face until it no longer resembles him at all. And this is exactly what is happening today with filters, photo editing apps, and AI touch ups. Real faces are changed to match an ideal version rather than reality. The next one is loss of identity. By the end, the narrator feels disconnected from his own photograph. It does not represent him at all. Today, on social media also, for want of likes, many people feel pressurized to present a version of themselves even if it does not reflect who they truly are. The third and the final one I feel is the expert's authority. The narrator doubts himself because the photographer he feels is an expert, and that expert insists the changes are necessary. In today's world also, influencers, beauty standards, and online experts are telling people how they should look, and outsiders' validation becomes more important than their own. Finally, the theme of insecurity, body shaming has been covered in this chapter in a humorous way. Although the ending of this chapter is very positive. So let's talk about the positive ending. The ending of With the Photographer is positive because it restores the narrator's self-identity and self-respect. After seeing the heavily altered photograph, the narrator realizes that the image no longer represents who he truly is. The artificial perfection has destroyed his true self. Instead of accepting a false version of himself, he simply rejects it and walks away. This shows his moral victory over shallow social standards and conveys the message that authenticity is more valuable than outward appearance. This moment shows the narrator's awakening. He understands that natural appearance and individuality are more important than unrealistic standards of beauty. By walking away, he asserts his right to be himself rather than submitting to the society's idea of perfection. Thus, the story ends on a hopeful note, suggesting that self-acceptance and authenticity ultimately triumphs over superficial appearances and false ideals. So, children, hope this explanation will help you in your answers. Do connect with me if you have any doubts. Wish you all the best for your exams and thank you so much for visiting my channel. All the best.